Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get a public defender. First, understand that public defenders offer legal help if you cannot afford a private attorney. Your eligibility hinges on your financial situation, specifically your income and assets. The crucial first step is to formally request a public defender directly from the court during your initial appearance. This process ensures you receive the legal support you need. To determine if you qualify, the court will thoroughly assess your financial situation. You'll typically need to complete a detailed financial affidavit outlining all your income, assets, and expenses. It's vital to be completely honest on this form, as providing false information can result in severe legal consequences. This step is critical for the court to make an informed decision. You should request a public defender at your very first court appearance, which is often called an arraignment. During this hearing, the judge will review the financial information you provided. Based on this assessment, the judge will decide whether you qualify for a public defender. If approved, a dedicated public defender will then be officially assigned to represent you in your case. Once assigned, it's essential to communicate openly and honestly with your public defender. Share all relevant information and documents pertinent to your defense, as this helps them build the strongest possible case for you. Remember, they are there to advocate on your behalf. Also, for those looking to simplify their routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.